branch na 1 million. 1 million yung kana. Supervising, tapos yung next, yung mini supervisor, yung nasa parang bangko na. Di ba dito sa Davao mayroong supervising sa bangko nila, oh. Yung mga manager sa bangko nila, yun, mga ano na lang yun, mga 1 million. And yung ordinaryo, 50 mil. There's enough money left. I do not want to get hold of it for too long. Basta ako sabi ko may pera. Hindi ko ninakaw. Wala, hindi kasali, hindi Trillanes yan. Bago lang yan. Just before the election. Yan ang gamitin ko. I'll dispose of that money. Ngayon na, sabihin ko, total maabutan pa ninyo yung kaso. Ngayon ako kayo mga BI lahat, Army, because I am papasukin ko ang Army. Papasukin ko, kulang ako ng tao. And they will have a very specific. Hanapin yung mga pulis na nagdudruga rin. Kaya kung kabaro ninyo, ayaw ninyo mga Army. O Navy ang gamitin ko, I will put to use the armed forces of the Philippines. Para kayo mga pulis, hindi kayo ulit. O general ka, tawagin ko yung private sa Army. Barilin mo. Ganoon lang ang paraan para mahinto ang droga. Ayaw ninyo kasi, I said, ang problema nito, ladies and gentlemen, my ending, ng mga reparty ako, but the ending remark was, do not destroy my country because I will kill you. Do not destroy the youth of the land, our children, because I will kill you. And every hunt now, yung lahat na may kaso, nag-jump bail. Yung mga durugista na, alam mo, maariglo, they have the quantity already. Tapos, sabihin na lang, palutsin, sige, kumakan, mag-plead guilty ka na lang para makalabas ka. Tapos, using the probation. I will ask Congress to remove probation from the operation dito sa operation of law sa mga drugs. At saka isa yung palabas ko sa drunken driving, especially if it results in a killing of a person. Alam mo dito sa Pilipinas walang nahuli. And they continue using the streets parang nagkakarera as if they own. Pagka under influence ka tapos namatay, sentensyahan ka ng 3 months, even not just 3 months, but you must go into jail. I will remove it from the ambit of the probation law. Yan ang ano ninyo kasi mag-probation lang kayo, report kayo, no? At this time, you go to jail. Maximum, minimum mo, sabihin ko Congress, minimum ko is 2 years and 1 day up. It's really murder. Yang high. You know that you will kill a person if you drive and you go down the lane screeching. So yung mga anak ng mga mayaman, karamihan, nagkakarera sila. Dito noon, nahinto dito sa Davao, kasi sabi ko, kuparan ko kayo, tawagin ko ang media. I'll strip you naked and I'll ask the media to. Ganon lang ang naintindihan. Hinto. Ganon lang naintindihan niya. The other extreme, may martial law wala yan. Cannot improve. But as a matter of fact, really, we cannot improve what ails this country by just killing people. Totoo. We've been killing so many Filipinos for no reason. Sometimes yung ideology, it comes to be crazy. Tayong kahapon, sinustage yung isang police, pati chief of police Inaroso sa NPA. May I ask them now, kung nakikinig sila, release the chief of police. Kung wala lang namang kasalanan, release them immediately. Kindly. So, what else? What needs to be done? Any question? 2 minutes lang, uwi na kami. Wala na. Tapos na 2 minutes. I'll go to the mountains and get them.
Will the cabinet also be working 1 p.m. to 12 midnight like your working hours?
No. 1 p.m. ako sa hapon. I have to get 8 hours of sleep. Yung matatandang iba, sabi na mga matanda yun, hindi na mahilig sa mahilig sa tulog.
Oo, dinala niya.
Eh ako, may hilig pa ako sa iba. Di matulog ako 1 hour, 8 hours ako kung di maluya. No, if I am doing something like now, look, in Malacanang.
Oh, you recorded that.
So there are papers which have to be signed, documents which has to be signed by the president. Kaya ng mayor. Alam mo ako, abogado ako, just do not, i-flip ko lang yan, tapos karbohan ko. No, it ain't that way, baby. You have to read. You have to read. So, maabutan ako, at maybe at one point, 12:30 ng shower, madali mo akong tulog, sinagalaklak ako. Alit mo rin ako. Totoo yung pagtulog. Tulog, masaya, tulog na din. I wake up, trabaho. Launa hanggang alas 7, alas 8. Tapos tulog ka, paggising mo, trabaho. Tapos ganon. Gano'n yan, buwan-buwan. Tapos pagdating sa reporting ninyo, 30, mali, bla. Kasi pag na-presidente na, wala ka ng tamang ginawa. That's the sad reality of it all. Lalabas yung mga ego ng egotism ng mga, the unexpressed desire of what would also, what they like would happen to them.
Mayor, Mr. President, this is already how many percent of the supposedly cabinet
Halos nandiyan ang lahat.
80 or 85%?
Dalawa na lang. Wala na. Tapos na.
Another question is,
Ano na lang, yung health. Wala dito. I'm waiting. DOT, DNR, I'm going, kasi concession to the left. DNR, ang tourism. Wala pa, meron pa, pero I'm nire-review ko yung ano nila. They have so many recommendations. This is, pati yung Moro, Iha. There will be an equal, it's really an inclusive government. Sa health, meron ako sana kanina, but I need to talk to the nominee, supposedly. So, kasi kung hindi ko nakuha, pahiya tao. Oo na.
Sir, can you give us details of your bounty, sir? Yung sa 3 million, can you give us more details of that? How would it work? Saan yung source ng funding? Tsaka isn't it...
Source of funding, sinabi ko, it's my possession. Di ako sobra. So, election yun. Bakit ko i-report doon sa election na hindi man kanila yan, hindi man rin akin? Gastuhin ko.
Gano'n kalaki yung buong budget, sir? Kasi sabi 3 million.
Iuwi ko.
Sir, gano'n kalaki yung buong pot? Kasi 3 million, di ba? Tsaka isn't it pag security forces kayo, you don't have to be rewarded by doing your job?
I could go as far as maybe 100 persons. What? 100 persons dead?
Sir, ilan yung appointees no, suggestions coming from
Sueno, Pilipilaban, yung mga left, Pilipilaban niya sila lahat. Sa Pilipilaban mag-vote, diba ng kaliwa? Have you noticed it? Yung may take ito, member ko, kaliwa.
Mr. President,
Bakit yung magtaka ng kaliwa ako?
Sir, with due respect po sa mga appointments po natin, sir, meron kasi nagiging criticism or comments po na contrary daw doon sa tagline nila changes kasi dati narito sila kumawag ng mga positions.
Good that you asked that question. Was supposed to bring it up to you, ako na mismo. Ganito yan eh. A cabinet member is an alter ego of the president. Monitoring ko. So, he must be one whom I trust, whom I'm confident that I could work well. Now, sinasabi nila, kababayan, kasama, kabarkada. No, they are not. Wala, hindi ko kabarkada. I didn't know him. Reason why? Probinsyano ako. Ang sphere of influence ko, or my sphere of, my comfort zone, is really Davao City. At Davao City, nakakakilala kami. Then, punta akong Maynila, nasa dormitoryo ako. So, ang karamihan na close akin, I do not attend parties. I was never asked to join any mga dibo-dibo o despedida dyan sa mga mayaman. Hanggang sini lang ako, pati kantin. Ano ko, sa Gadiwar, umuwi na naman ako dito. So, ang nakilala ko, yung mga classmate ko, pati yung mga brand ko, pati yung mga taga San Beda, pati taga Davao. So, yun yung ang crowd ko. I can only pluck the membership of the cabinet from a small area. Kagaya ni Secretary Jokno. Hindi naman kailangan niya because he has been secretary and is good. Kasi believe ako sa kanya, nandyan siya, Secretary Briones. I mean, by herself, she's an institution. So why do I have to go around picking people na marami? Carlos Dominguez III, he was the PAL president many years ago. Tapos he was the agriculture secretary of, he was my classmate hanggang grade 2. Valedictorian niya ang perme. Artugade. He's not really my kababayan, he comes from Tugigaraw. But I know him because he was sa San Pedro, he was valedictorian. Lahat yan nila valedictorian. Alam mo ito si Delphin Lorenzana. He used to command yung director dito, mayor pa ako. Tap, ito, you ask Kibuloy. Classmate yan sila sa Cotabato City. Ang pala dito nasa kanilang klase si Lorenzana. Hindi ko yung kinuha na, because of the brain. Hindi ko sundalo ko. Hindi ko kailang sundalo. Sige lang patay. Defense Secretary has to know that there's always a time to talk peace and a time to wage war. Sino ngayon ang medyo mahina? Yung amo nila, 75 lang. Okay naman.
Mr. President, sir, how is the possible?
Bakit? Small si Baidan is like Colonel yan sa Marines. No, si Trillanes, hindi yung pwede yun.
Mr. President,
Delikado kayo raso.
sir, you said that you want to be hands-on on peace and order. How big is the possibility that you might hold a cabinet position yourself? Or any agency
No.
in government?
Ako?
Opo.
To hold yun na. Sila lang magtrabaho. Tulog lang muna. Sa mga, hindi madali magkampanya. Gano'n mo.
Mr. President. Mr. President.
No, there should be a meeting every week. Wala yan. They are working sa daytime. May work hours yan, 8 to 5, whatever.
Mr. President.
Yes, or Sabado. Pagka,
Except Sunday. Sunday is family day for them.
bakit sa kanila lang, gaga? Pati sa, ako muna. Mahimik ka dyan?
Mr. President. Mr. President.
Nung Saturday na, nung nabanggit ko na Saturday, sir, there's no such thing as community, sir. It's all you, sir. Can you walk us through the selection process?
In the first place, there was no selection sa kabinete. Maybe dyan sa baba. At itong mga critical or crucial immigration, NBI, LFT-RB, yung mga corrupt opisina, ako na mismo ang kumuha. PDEA, dyan ka, yan, magsawa tayo. Tabi, taga Davao, kilala naman yun si John Lapenia. Mahuwasan tayo.